just made this video to say I love you. Bamboo Storage Pirate on YouTube. Pirates, it's been a long day of auctioning. We haven't bid once. There's been almost nothing to look at and several stops of looking at nothing. We are here in Walnut Creek. They have a Goodwill upstairs and a public store. That's the two best places to source, right? Two of the top three. But we're here, and you got all the competition here. Wait, there is no competition. What am I saying? You got Uncle Michael's son. You didn't see that one coming.
Some more people.
Yeah. We are waiting for this to pop off, and I believe that there's a potential of being a good one because there's a certain person here who does lots of research. You always have to know your competition. When you want to be a storage buyer, it's like playing chess or poker. You have to understand that certain people will never probably buy the best unit because they just are here to throw $100 and try to make a few hundred. But then there's people who research every unit, and they only show up when there's potential. And you have to understand that when you see people and you know that, then you know they might be playing a game, right? They might try to bid on one that doesn't look like the one they want. But trust and believe, certain people who show up from time away are always here to buy units that they've researched. So that right there already tells me we're about to see a potential of a good unit. Not saying there's going to be, but there's a 10x10 and a 10x24. I went to go in to pay my $25 and I forgot my flipping mask. Who the forgets their mask? No, that is an engine. No, that's a transmission, you're right. I bet you there is an engine in here. There's another transmission.
The blue case looks kind of
It's a motorcycle.
new. That looks hella clean.
It does.
Transmission tool, probably.
I'm more intrigued by that big black case there. Is that golf clubs? What is it? It's big. See right there?
That's a golf club. Case.
Look, he's got a drive shaft hanging with his clothes. This is the first. Those are nice.
Yeah, they're like new.
Yeah. They're black.
But the tires are worn, but the rims are nice.
You got 4 of them. Yep, no guns in this box.
Yeah, it's not like it says Ford Motorsport. It's a whole rebuild kit for a transmission.
Yeah.
So,
look at that, nice.
oh, bet you.
I just bought a Humdinger. Don't ask me why I did it. We're about to go take a look and see what I did and what I spent $25 on. We bought. You know how we do it. We just buy units and we don't ever really have a rhyme or reason, but you're going to be impressed, maybe, or discouraged, or you might be like, man, you scored. But anyway, we're about to look at this unit. Let's just say it's musical. I bought this unit right here for $25. Yes, $25. And we got some good ones. We're about to go through them right now, and I'll show you each one individually and tell me what you think, whether or not I did a good idea or I didn't.
I was the one asking for time, and I was gonna say 50, and then he chimed in, and I was like, maybe it'd be nice to split it with me. No.
No words?
No, but it sounds
Yeah, right
nice.
here. Cunningham Piano, Philadelphia.
This is a nice one. It's in good condition.
Oh, let me get my photo like that.
I was wrong. Voss.
Both and Sons.
1851.
Where does it say that?
Right there. 1851.
Oh, okay. Established. Look at that. It's different. What do you do with this? Can you? Oh, that's where your sheet music could go, and I guess you wouldn't really play like that. 1878, 1880. Interesting.
Stanley and Sons, New York.
Even the Alameda auction.
Kimball. That's probably like the. This baby right here is probably the nicest one.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, he got my finger, ladies and gentlemen. You see that? Scott got me.
That's what he gets for stealing the unit from me. This was mine.
What is that? It's the harpsichord. Yeah.
Everything works.
This baby. Drop my other phone.
And how's it work? Flips down. And then here's the lock right here to you push that in to flip it up.
It's in good shape, this bad boy is.
Beautiful.
So this might be the money here. This is one of the reasons why I bought it. I have faith in baby grands, etc., etc. This is a WM. And this seems to be intact. I can picture that being a $500,000 sale, hopefully in the next week, because that's my goal. This piano here is a...
It's really clean. It's in really good shape.
It's a WN Knob and Son. So is the other one, Kanabi. You know how I always ruin every word. It is in nice shape.
It's like really clean.
I can see this one being like $1,000, hopefully. Yeah. That's my goal, is for this to be $1,000, and the next week get rid of the rest of them for next to nothing.
Goes that way, and then this.
Remember we used to move these every day?
Oh gosh.
And that job that we don't discuss?
And then this
Look at
goes
the,
like
oh.
this. Like
This is a love-making piano. Now I see what this is.
See, look how beautiful.
This is a love-making piano, guys.
Let's get it on like that. You know, you hot girls sitting on top, like, oh man.
Yeah, so this piano here will definitely be some good money, I think. And we also have these ones here as well. Sadly, this one's damaged here. It's missing a leg, but this is a Steinway and Sons. Like I said, I don't know. They gave me over a week. I'm thinking I probably got at least 2 weeks. I'm trying to see if I could just get rid of these all out of here without having to move them from here. This one right here is a Ivers and Pond. So I don't know nothing about that, but it's... What if I can get them all for $100 a piece? People want to do piano lessons. They come here. This one's a little Rafferty. A little Rafferty. What's the brand? A Fisher. It's nothing ventured, nothing gained. You know, it's not always about $5,000, $10,000. People underestimate the way my thought process. Yes, I understand. I go high risk on a lot of units, and there's a reason why, because I want to sell better stuff and a better chance of higher reward. But I'm also not scared to work, and there's reasons why I do this, because I see money. And people see piano, and they think hard work. Not me. What I see is like, I think this is actually rather easy. If Uncle Michael and I came in here and we had a truck with a four-wheeler and a ramp, we can move all of these in under 2 hours. But I don't want to move them from here. I just want to have a customer show up. Either some of them will be free or for $100, and you'll take all the ones you want in the next week or two, and then I will just sell these 3 maybe. And I'm thinking I'm going to focus on the Steinways, because Steinway's a good brand. And I have, this one was a Steinway. And I think the one in the back was a decent one too. But you never know. I'm going to look up each one. I'm going to try to price them and sell them fast. That's a Steinway, even though it's broken. Whatever. I always say, lazy money don't make money. It's not just scared money don't make money, but lazy money don't make nothing. If you could hit the like button when you watch my videos. I don't know what I'm saying, but I love to make you laugh. 'Cause baby, hit the like button. All right, enough of that stuff. Let's call it that. Right now I'm texting a little woman. Little woman's like, Mike, you have an addiction to buying storage units and you need to get help. And I told her, little woman, you care to make a wager? Do you care to make a wager with me? I says, little woman, what do you want to bet that I can't turn this locker into $2,000 in 1 week's time? She says, I can't trust you. You will cheat to win. Lady, come on. So let's see. Do you guys think I can make $2,000 in 1 week on this unit and do very little work other than pushing the stuff this far right here? I know right now the first thing I'm thinking as the way home is, man, I gotta be about the stupidest pirate in the world. I buy a unit full of pianos when my back is completely out and I can hardly do anything, but that's just the way it goes. I'm gonna see if I can sell this without actually having to do anything, have them show up, load it, maybe Uncle Mike will be there to assist, whatever the case may be, and we'll see if that, if I could turn this into $2,000 a week. I gotta at least make a personal bet within myself now just to prove the little one. I'm gonna see if I can get her to make me a bet on something. I just don't know what yet. But thanks for watching this video. Don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, and say something pretty like pirate. You sing like a son of a biscuit.